Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to remove header and footer from MS Word document. So as we can see, we have header and footer for this document. To remove header and footer, double click on it or click on insert and click on this header, and here the option remove header and click anywhere. So as we can see now, header is removed. Again, to insert, click on insert and header and select any style. So as we can see now, we have again header and footer. To remove header and footer, click on insert, click on this drop down and select remove header. That's it. Thanks for watching.